Okay, everyone, this is it. Last math lesson of the year. 11.3, adding and subtracting radicals. So the important thing to remember is when you're adding and subtracting radicals, you treat them just as if they were variables. Like x plus x would equal 2x, right? 3x minus 4x equals negative 1x. You treat radicals the same way. The numbers under the radical must match. They must be like terms, okay, in order to combine them. So root 6 and root 6 are like terms. So you're allowed to add them. So root 6 plus root 6 is 2 root 6. Let's get this out of here. 2 root 6. 2 root 6. Because outside in front of the radical, if there's no number there, it's a 1. And it's a 1. So you're adding 1 root 6 plus 1 root 6, which gives you 2 root 6s. Treat the root 6s like an x. If you added 1x plus 1x, you'd get 2x, right? Same thing with radicals. 3 root 5 minus 1 root 5. That would be 2 root 5. Okay? Same deal. Treat them like terms. Now in this next one, you have a root 6 plus a root 5. Guess what? They're not like terms. Therefore, you cannot add them. So this answer will just be exactly what you see. There's nothing to add there. There's nothing to simplify. You cannot add them together, so you would just write root 6 plus 3 root 5 as your answer. Now, these get a little trickier because at first glance you see root 54 and root 24 and you think, oh, they're not like terms. That means you can't do anything with them, right? Well, remember, from our earlier lessons in this chapter, you may be able to simplify the radicals. Like root 54 is really 9 times 6. And root 9 times root 6 equals 3 root 6, right? Because square root of 9 is 3. So this is really 3 root 6. Now, could we do anything with the root 24? Yeah, we can. We could do 4 times 6. And then that becomes root 4 times root 6, which is really 2 root 6. So although these look like they're not like terms on the surface, after you simplify them, it really becomes 3 root 6 minus 2 root 6. So you have to watch out for that. 3 root 6 minus 2 root 6. So this actually equals 1 root 6, or just root 6. Okay, you could write the 1 root 6 or just root 6. They're both the same. So you have to try to simplify these before you could determine if they're addable or subtractable. So square root of 48 is 16. My thing froze here. I don't know why. What's going on? 48 is 16 times 3. Right? Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 3 is 3. 27 is 9 times 3. Right? Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 3 you can't do, so you leave it like that. So this becomes 4 root 3 plus 3 root 3. Now you could add them. Now they are like terms. So which you get 7 root 3 as your answer. Last one. 50 is 25 times 2. Square root of 25 times square root of 2, you get 5 root 2. Right? 48, we did that one above, is 16 times 3. Square root of 16 times square root of 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 3 is just square root of 3. So we get 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3. These are not like terms, so therefore you cannot add them any further. So that's just our final answer, 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3. There's nothing further to simplify in that one. All right, we'll do the next slide, some tougher examples in the next video.